Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see comparison of iPhone 16 Pro Max video clarity as well as GoPro Hero Black video clarity, which is the best we can see in this video step-by-step process. So let's check it out.
So as a comparison point of view, this is the first frame come from GoPro. Little fast. So you can see in the road which types of noise you are receiving, and meanwhile we can see here my voice as well. So look at this, guys. This is a comparison of iPhone 16 Pro Max as well as GoPro Hero 13 Black. My iPhone camera setting is a 4K 120 frame per second, and the GoPro frame rate is a similar kind of same 60 frame per second and 5.3K. So you can see the noise. Currently I am here, is a very calm place, no noise is coming here. Even iPhone, I'm not using any kind of tripod and gimbal, especially in iPhone, just on my hand. Similar kind of same in GoPro as well. So now this is a voice comes from iPhone. So which types of voice you are receiving, you decide. And now this is a voice of GoPro Hero 13 Black. So you can very easily analyze, calculate which types of voice we are receiving. So now continuously voice comes from GoPro Hero 11. Now I change my voice, iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this is very less video to compare of. So now I close the camera. So both cameras are recording my face now. Even the opposite side of sun, this side is sun, so you can see, and exactly sun side my face little dark, so you can calculate which face is good and clarity of course sometimes you're feeling iPhone 16 Pro camera clarity is a good compared. Of course we are receiving good clarity of camera iPhone 16 Pro Max compared to the GoPro Hero 13. So guys, this is a simple comparison of iPhone and GoPro Hero 13. Which one is the best? You decide. You can comment me on comment section.
If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.